Industrial baking oven manufacturing plant. An industrial baking oven is a thermally insulated chamber used for the heating, baking or drying of a substance. Baking oven is commonly used for manufacturing of bread, pastries and biscuits. The manufacturing of industrial baking ovens consists of mainly by bending of mild and stainless steel sheet metals parts to form the finished part. The main process involves measuring, cutting, bending, riveting, arc and spot welding and painting. The total land area for the envisaged plant is estimated at 1,500 meters square. Out of the total area, 1,250 meters square will be covered by building. The total investment cost estimate is 8,643,570 birr. Out of the total capital requirement is 25% is own capital and the remaining 75% will be loan from government. The government also will provide different incentives to encourage the project. Motor Vehicle Assembly Manufacturing Plant. Motor vehicle is a name given to any self-propelled vehicle that travels on road or land. It usually has 4 wheels and an engine provides the power to move the vehicle. Motor vehicles are primarily used for transportation of passengers and goods. In this project body, minibus and big bus will be manufactured by the facility to be established by the company, whereas other components and full semi-knockdown components of light vehicles will be bought from other manufacturers to be assembled by the vehicle manufacturer. The total project capital estimate is 1,339,520 birr. Out of the total capital requirements, 25% is own capital and the remaining 75% will be loan from government. The government also will provide different measurement to encourage the project. The study has confirmed that the project has potential to become highly profitable. The key outcomes to highlight are: discounted cash flow internal rate of return is 87.01%. Payback period 3.54 year. The net present value is 265,869,026 birr. Automatic circuit breaker manufacturing plant. A circuit breaker is an automatically off electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overload or short circuit. Its basic function is to detect a fault condition and interrupt current flow. Raw materials required are stainless steel for high voltage, plastics for low voltage, and brass. The total area requirement of the plant is 500 meters square. Out of this plot, 300 meters square will be covered by building. The production hall along with the store will be constructed in a single building covering an area of 250 meters square, with the store in the ground floor and the production facility in the first floor, while the office building covers an area of 50 meters square. The total project capital estimate is 44,055,254 birr. Out of the total capital requirement, 25% own capital equity and the remaining 75% loan will be from banks. The key outcomes to highlight are: internal rate of return 73%, payback period 0.6 year, and the net present value is 23,944,610.64 birr is positive and indicated that the investment add value to investment and will therefore increase the wealth of the owners. The project profitability index is 1.54, which indicate for every 1 birr of initial investment, the project can generate 0.54 additional value for the investor. Manufacturing of generator. The term engine generator is very broad and includes both internal and external combustion types, including microturbines. A piston-type internal combustion engine refers to any engine utilizing the combustion of a fuel to push a piston within a cylinder. This reciprocal motion is changed into a more useful rotary motion by the crankshaft. Diesel generator set is used to generate electricity for meeting the electricity requirement of small establishments such as commercial buildings, hotels, shops, etc. When there is a power supply failure from the main source or other power supply undertakings. The total area requirement of the plant is 500 meter square. Out of this plot, 300 meter square will be covered by building. The key outcomes to highlight are internal rate of return 47%, cash payback period is 1.74 years. The net present value is 29,516,430 birr. Profitability index shows net profit of about birr 935,152 birr in the first year, will steadily increase through time and reaches about birr 3,205,572 birr at the end of projected year and continuously decline in successive years. Plugs and sockets. Switches, plugs, sockets, push buttons, and lampshade are electrical devices used to connect electrical operated equipment to electrical power. After electrical wiring system installation is performed, there should be outlets for different electrical equipment and appliances. Plugs and sockets cover the electrical wires from direct contact and give slots and protruding for easy connection. As there is no local manufacturer of the products, the demand for plugs and sockets is supplied through import. The total land area for the envisaged plant is estimated at 1,600 meters square. The factory built-up area is estimated at 1,000 meters square. The total project capital estimate is 18,939,940 birr. Out of the total capital requirements, 25% is own capital and the remaining 75% will be loan from Development Bank. The government also will provide different measurements to encourage the project. The study has confirmed that the project has the potential to become highly profitable. The key outcomes to highlight are discounted cash flow internal rate of return is 234.94%. Payback period is 2.37 years. The net present value is 176,581,210 birr.